Good morning, partners, friends, and pioneers of the energy transition. Welcome to 2026. Think back to just 3 years ago, the energy storage market was in a gold rush. The only question customers asked was, do you have stock? But today, the wind has shifted. We have moved from an era of scarcity to an era of quality. Today, we need to talk about the elephant in the room. We need to confront 3 silent challenges that are threatening your business in this new era. The first challenge is the profit trap. Look at the charts. Battery prices have hit historic lows. That sounds like a victory, right? But look at the other side. Skilled labor costs have surged by over 30%. This scissors effect is squeezing your margins, while the hardware becomes a commodity. The hands that install it are becoming a luxury. Every extra hour your team spends on site is eating into the savings from the battery. In 2026, time is no longer just money, time is survival. The second challenge is system compatibility. Many products claim to be all-in-one, but in reality, they mix components from different brands. This leads to communication errors on site. Instead of a fast installation, your team gets stuck fixing firmware conflicts. This delays your projects and increases your costs. The third challenge is hidden liability. This hits you after the installation. For small projects, the issue is high maintenance costs. A simple false alarm often requires a physical site visit. Sending it a truck for a simple receipt eats up your profit. For larger projects, the issue is capacity loss. In traditional systems, 1 week sale limits the performance of the whole cluster. You are paying for full capacity, but you simply cannot use it all. Ladies and gentlemen, we see these challenges clearly. The profit trap tells us that the hardware is cheap, but time is expensive. System fragmentation tells us that complexity is the enemy of speed, and operational liability tells us that the real cost is what you lose tomorrow. So we went back to the drawing board. We asked ourselves, what if we built a machine specifically designed to solve these 3 problems? To beat the labor cost, it had to be fast. To kill fragmentation, it has to be truly unified. To eliminate liability, it has to be reliable. Today, we deliver our answer. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the solution. Welcome to our brand new all-in-one hybrid energy storage system, Flexo 15. It's a philosophy captured in just 3 phases: fits in corner, ready in hours, and safe for years. It is a true all-in-one hybrid system. Traditionally, power storage for factories meant a maze of separate units, dedicated battery cabinets, a standalone PCS, and often an entire room to house it all. Today, we change the history. Please look at the screen. This single cabinet delivers a power output of 30 kilowatt and a massive capacity of 53.7 kilowatt-hour, and the footprint just occupies 1.2 square meters. We have integrated the PCS, EMS, and the battery clusters into one incredible clean, compact design. This streamlined high-density integration eliminates external cables and extra cabinets. Not only does this create a cleaner look, but it also delivers an immediate 25% reduction in costs compared to traditional assembled solutions. It's not just a space saving, it's value creating. Small footprint, powerful impact. How did we fit so much power into such a compact frame? Let's open the doors and take a look. From the bottom up, we utilize a minimalist modular layout, a sturdy base, high voltage box, and our battery clusters. Please pay attention to the details here. Firstly, stability is a key. We have integrated an air cooling system directly in the front of the cabinet. This industrial-grade air conditioner ensures that the temperature difference between battery cells is strictly controlled within 8 degrees. We have also placed a 7-inch display screen on the inner side of the front door. System status is also available at a glance. At the top, you will see the detectors and the aerosol unit. And on the side, we have integrated the EMS and the AC-DC switching power supply. Every inch of space has been engineered for performance. Now, let's shift our focus to the right side of the unit, our hybrid inverter. We adopted a side-mounted design. It also features independent screen for easy, dedicated commissioning. And this inverter is an absolute beast. It supports PV oversizing of up to 200%, allowing you to connect double the solar capacity relative to the inverter's rating. All surplus energy is stored in the battery, ensuring no solar generation goes to waste. Secondly, it's equipped with 3 MPPTs, covering a massive voltage range from 150 volt to 850 volt, which means the system wakes up earlier in the morning and works later into the evening, generating more power for you every single day. Thirdly, the MPPT maximum input current is 40 ampere. This makes it perfectly compatible with all high-power solar modules currently on the market. Reliability is a foundation of Ecosolex. From humid islands to dusty mining sites, the Flexo 15 is ready for any challenge. Its IP55 rating and C4 anti-corrosion technology ensure durable all-weather performance. It operates in a wide temperature range from -20 degrees to 55 degrees. We promise 100% output in these extreme temperatures. It is a robust tool designed for the real world. Moving on from the product itself, we want to address the biggest headache of every installer: installation and transportation. Forget the past of heavy machinery and complex installations. We are ushering in a new era of faster deployment for C&I storage systems. This unit is factory pre-assembled. 90% of the assembly and testing is done before it leaves our factory. And crucially, it supports live transportation. What does this mean for you? It means when the truck arrives, you only need a standard hand forklift to unload and position it. Wiring is simple. Just connect the AC input and the load, that's all. Compared to traditional solutions, we have cut 40% installation time, and impressively, the transportation cost per kilowatt-hour has been reduced 22%. For project managers, this is pure profit. Beyond efficiency, safety is our foundation. Every unit is built around a comprehensive multi-level safety production systems. This is not just a slogan, it's 4 layers of fortified defense. System-level aerosol separation, smoke and temperature sensors throughout the cabinet, self-developed BMS drives millisecond detection, and high thermal efficiency 100 ampere-hour battery cells. Here's how our system works. Many people are chasing for larger battery cells, but we choose to return to the essence of safety. We choose high thermal efficiency 100 ampere battery cells. Why? Because in an all-in-one cabinet, heat dissipation is safety. Compared to larger battery cells, the 100 ampere battery cells offers a much larger specific dissipation area. Data shows the dissipation area per kilowatt-hour is increased by 46%, while the thermal path is shortened by 30%. Smaller cells, fewer risks. Even in the worst scenario, the energy released by a single 100 ampere-hour cell failure is 68%, less than that of a large cell. We minimize the risk of thermal runaway at the source. Good cells need a good manager. That is our self-developed BMS. It's precise and controllable. Our SOC estimation accuracy is within 2%. More importantly, it works to enhance safety and extend lifespan. Our active balancing efficiency exceeds 95%. Every byte of energy is fully utilized, ensuring no energy waste and maximize your ROI over the years. We also have the ultimate shield, the integrated fire safety shield. With 24 hours for 7 days active monitoring, our system triggers a sub-second shutdown when the instant smoke or temperature anomalies are detected, ensuring instant danger isolation. The aerosol suppression system then deploys. As a system-level safeguard with optional pack-level modules, it triggers at about 185 degrees to suppress fire early and contain damage. Finally, let's talk about applications. This machine is a versatile energy hub. Whether your goal is PV self-consumption, backup power, replacing diesel generators, or participating in a VPP for electricity trading, we support all these scenarios. Especially for regions with unstable grids or for microgrid applications, we have achieved a seamless transition. When the grid goes down, this system switches from on-grid to off-grid within 10 milliseconds. Your precision equipment, your servers, your computers, they won't even know the power went out. Your business keeps running uninterrupted. So let's summarize what we delivered today. It's an all-in-one hybrid system which saves you 25% system costs and 40% in installation time. It features 4 levels of safety protection from the battery cell to the system. And we have made it limitless. Whether you are on-grid, off-grid, integrating a diesel generator, or joining a VPP, the single machine handles it all. Fits in corner, ready in hours, safe for years. This is a Flexo 50 commitment. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mia, for your presentation. That was Flexo 50, the champion of agility, the master of last mile. It solves the complexity of small business perfectly. As we know that energy transition is not just happening in the coffee shop and the gas station, it's happening in the gigafactories, in the data centers, and on the grid side itself. So when you scale up from the kilowatt to the megawatt, the rule of the game change. You are no longer dealing with the dozens of cells, you are managing tens of thousands. And heat becomes an enemy, mismatch becomes a thief. To handle this scale, air cooling is not enough. Simple assembly is not enough. For the large scale of industry, we need a different kind of power. We need a system that doesn't just store energy, but master it. So I would like to introduce the Valtrix String 3.0 all-in-one liquid cooling hybrid energy storage designed for the future of utility and C&I. All right, so let's focus on the yield. In traditional system, the bucket effect is a major challenge. And you know, 1 week battery can limit the performance of the whole entire cluster. Valtrix String 3.0 eliminates this bottleneck with one PCS and one cluster architecture. By achieving independent management, zero circulating current between the racks, combined with the silicon carbide technology and granular control, this architecture increased the system discharge yield by 10% throughout its lifetime. All right, so to sustain this high efficiency, we deployed our self-developed BMS. It features active control with a maximum balancing current of 2000 milliamp. This technology actively regulates the cells to ensure high consistency, effectively minimize the loss caused by the cells mismatch. Moving to the thermal management, we know that temperature determines the lifespan of the battery. Valtrix features advanced thermal control at both levels, the pack level and the system level. We control the temperature difference within the pack strictly, less than equal to 2 degrees centigrade, and the system level less than equal to 4 degrees centigrade. This precise direct control contribute to extend the overall battery lifetime by 25%. All right, so this brings us to the total solution. Valtrix is a true all-in-one ESS. Inside this container, we got a battery module, we got a high voltage box, we got a PCS, we got HVAC system. We also offer optional MPPT module for specialized DC coupling scenarios. So everything you need is pre-integrated. Okay, let's look at the side view of the container. In this container, you can see the HVAC unit ensuring the thermal stability. We have clearly mentioned the fire alarm system controller for immediate access and safety monitoring. And here is a combiner box, integrated fire simplified connection. Okay, so inside the container, our modular design allow for flexible expansion depending on your energy requirement. You can scale from 1.5 megawatt to 3 megawatt hour battery capacity. So we support the configuration of 6 cluster, 8, 10, and 12 clusters. So for example, if you use the 6 cluster, you can reach up to 1.56 megawatt hour battery capacity. And with the 12 cluster, you can reach up to 3.13 megawatt hour battery capacity. So you pay for the capacity you need. Okay, so here is the physical specs of our Valtrix. That's a standard size, the standard dimension. The height is 2,896 millimeter, depth is 2,438 millimeter, and the width is 6,058 millimeter, and the weight is around 30 ton. And the key highlight here is the density. We achieve an ultra high energy density of 217.5 kilowatt hour per square meters. And this translates to 26% land saving for your project footprint. Okay, so these architectures offer versatile deployment options. Our string architecture offers MPPT option for different scenarios. So if you choose the AC coupling to retrofit an existing site, or choose the DC coupling to build from 0 to 1. This flexibility unlock all key applications: peak shaving, valley filling, demand response, electricity trading, and off-grid backup power. Let's talk about the logistic. Valtrix is designed for agile deployment. We use a 20 feet standard container design. This ensures the easy transportation globally, whether by the road or by the sea. It fits into standard logistic chain, simplifying the journey from our factory to your site. All right, so once the system arrives on the site, the speed continue, the system comes pre-assembled. We have engineered it for minimal internal cabling on the site, making it a truly transported ready integration. It is plug and play. You just need to connect the external interface with the system, and the system will auto address and pre-commissioning, and it will save a lot labor cost and installation error. All right, so now let's take a look at the safety of our system. Safety is our first preference. Valtrix provides the multi-level ultimate safety. Inside the cabinet, we have deployed comprehensive sensors network. This includes the gas detector, temperature detector, the smoke detector. We also features dual layer fire suppression system, combining the aerosol and the water. This covering the protection from the pack to the cabinet level. Simply, our safety philosophy is built on a 7-layer protection system for ultimate safety. This includes the 2 fire protection, 2 passive protection, 3 active protection. Mechanically, we use the AC/DC vacuum contractor protection and the fuse protection. Logically, we have strict cutoff protocol, current limiting warning, PCS output cutoff, and the BMS output cutoff. So our goal is simple: no fire. This system is built to adopt extreme weather condition. It features an IP55 protection rating. For harsh environment, we offer C5 anti-corrosion grade option, and it operates reliably in a temperature range from -30 to 50 centigrade temperature. Valtrix is ready for any climate. To summarize, here is a Valtrix String 3.0 at glance. The maximum rated the battery capacity of the system is 3.13 megawatt hour. Comes with the LFP 340 AH cell. Rated output power is 1,500 kilowatt, and the system use efficient liquid cooling, and it is fully certified with all these kind of certification. Valtrix is not only an energy storage system, but it's intelligence, it's a safety, it's a value. We have just explored our latest hardware innovation, but a powerful body needs an even smarter brain. So today I'm proud to introduce a digital core of our ecosystem, Ecosolex Cloud. Its function as an intelligent management suite that transforms your raw energy data into the real measurable financial value for your business. All right, so the first question every owner asks is, how much am I actually saving? With the Ecosolex Cloud, we turn the data into the financial intelligence. Our multi-dimensional ROI visualization provide a crystal clear breakdown of your income. By integrating the real-time electricity prices, peak valley differences, and the demand charges, Ecosolex Cloud generate a precise financial report. From PV generation to the social benefits like carbon reduction, and every cent saved and every gram of carbon dioxide offset is visible and traceable and verifiable. Okay, all right, so data visibility is a great start, and our AI scheduling engine takes it a step further. Ecosolex Cloud features an AI-driven strategic brain. By integrating the real-time weather forecast and historical load pattern, the system doesn't just react, it predicts. The AI algo automatically optimizes the charging and discharging cycle to maximize the peak shaving and arbitrage revenue. Whether you can running a single site or complex microgrid, the system makes intelligent decisions 24/7 to ensure your operation is always at a peak efficiency. In digital age, performance is nothing without security. We protect your asset in two different ways: resilience and privacy. The first, our cloud edge intelligent ensured 24/7 continuity. This means that if the internet goes down, your site stays up. The system continues to execute the peak shaving and the safety protocol autonomously. Second, we respect your data residency. Our infrastructure is EU localized, ensuring that full compliance with regional regulation. For those who require total control, we provide secure API tunnels for private server integration. Your data belongs to you. We simply provide the wallet. One of the biggest challenge or headache in our industry is compatibility. We solve this with our universal protocol engine. Our system speaks every language, MQTT, HTTP, and we don't just support the Ecosolex product, we offer a universal interface. Integrates third-party PCS, BMS, meters, and HVAC system. And furthermore, our low-code modular strategy allows for agile customization, whether it's a specific grid constraint or a unique business model. We can customize the software logic to fit your specific asset lifecycle requirements. Finally, let's talk about your bottom line: maintenance. Traditional O&M is expensive and slow. With the Ecosolex, we are introducing zero-touch operations. The Ecosolex troubleshooting can be done remotely through OTA updates. We can reconfigure the parameters, upgrade firmwares, and deploy new strategy without even sending a technician to the site. We are not just selling you a management system, we are giving you a tool that lowers OPEX, maximize your return on investment, and secure your energy features. Ecosolex Cloud, intelligence you can bank on. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have seen the perfect synergy between our high-performance hardware and intelligent Ecosolex Cloud. We haven't just launched the product, we have unveiled a complete energy ecosystem design to make your business smarter, safer, and more profitable. If you are ready to take control of your energy features, if you are looking for a CNI storage solution that is truly worry-free, cost-effective and safe, please take a moment to note the email address on the screen. Reach out to our sales team today to schedule a deep dive or a demo. Thank you very much. Let's power the future together. Thank you.